Thank you for visiting our channel. Please like, share and subscribe for more exciting food videos. In part 2, we'll look at the toppings and finishing touches that make this elote truly unforgettable. Tang and heat, essential spices and citrus boosts. The rich coatings and smoky corn need balancing. This is where the bright tang of lime and the kick of chili powder come into play. These final elements cut through the richness, making the flavor profile incredibly complex and addicting. Chili powder. The preferred spice is often tahini, a flavorful combination of chili peppers, salt, and dehydrated lime. If you prefer more heat, cayenne pepper or ancho chili powder works well. Sprinkle it generously over the cheese. Citrus boost. A final, crucial squeeze of fresh lime juice over the entire cob brightens everything up. The acidity wakes up the corn's sweetness and perfectly complements the creamy, salty layers below. Finishing touches, cilantro and other optional add-ons. For a final burst of freshness, many street vendors top their elote with fresh, finely chopped cilantro. It adds a green color contrast and a light herbal note. Variations to consider. Esquites. If you are hosting a gathering or simply prefer a less messy option, try esquites. This is the same preparation, but the kernels are cut off the cob and served warm in a cup. You mix all the ingredients directly into the corn kernels. Hot sauce. Some people enjoy a dash of their favorite Mexican hot sauce on top for extra heat. Making street-style elote easy at home, a step-by-step guide. Making this incredible street food at home is surprisingly simple. You just need the right ingredients and a good grill. Follow this simple guide to achieve perfect elote every time. Your quick shopping list for Mexican grilled corn ingredients. Preparing this delicious snack is easier when you have everything ready. This list covers the essentials. 8 ears of fresh corn on the cob. Half a cup of mayonnaise. Quarter cup Mexican creamer or sour cream. Half a cup crumbled cotija cheese. 2 tablespoons chili powder, tahini recommended. 2 fresh limes. 2 tablespoons fresh cilantro, chopped. Vegetable oil for grilling. Assembling your elote, from grill to first bite. Follow these concise steps for flawless preparation. The process is quick once the corn is cooked. Prepare the grill and corn. Preheat your grill to medium-high heat. Husk and clean the corn. Brush the cobs lightly with vegetable oil. Achieve the char. Grill the corn for 10 to 15 minutes, turning often, until kernels are tender and about 1/3 of the corn shows dark grill marks. Mix the base. While the corn cooks, whisk together the mayonnaise and creamer in a shallow dish. Coat and roll. Immediately after removing the corn from the grill, brush or roll one cob at a time generously in the creamy mixture. Then, roll the coated cob in the shallow dish of crumbled cotija cheese. Finish strong. Sprinkle the corn with chili powder. Squeeze a wedge of fresh lime juice generously over the cob. Serve immediately. Garnish with fresh cilantro and eat right away. Elote is best served piping hot off the grill. A taste of Mexico right in your hand. There is truly nothing better than biting into perfectly prepared street-style elote. The immediate explosion of sweet, smoky corn blends with the cool, creamy base and the bright kick of lime and chili. It is a flavor combination that makes you close your eyes and savor every moment. This recipe proves that incredible flavor doesn't require complicated methods. With just a good grill and the right authentic toppings, you can recreate this iconic Mexican street food at home. It's perfect for summer cookouts, weeknight dinners, or whenever you need a fun, flavorful snack. Go ahead, try this easy elote recipe tonight. You'll be amazed at the simple joy it brings. Tell us below, what's your favorite topping combination for Mexican street corn? Share your success stories in the comments. We'd love to hear how your grilling turned out in this video. Please comment, like, share, and subscribe for more automotive information like this.